Hey guys, what's up? First of all, I'd like to start this video by saying that um, I don't know how relevant it's going to be because I went on DHgate recently and I've seen that the selection for butterfly knives is extremely fucking limited. You can't get... Oh, there's so many fucking mosquitoes out here. This is a bad idea to be outside. But anyway, you can hardly find anything there anymore as far as butterfly knives go, which is a surprise to me. I was planning on making this video today, and I clicked on my usual recent search for butterfly knives and looked at my favorites and everything says sold out, which I highly doubt that everything just somehow magically sold out overnight. It kind of sucks, really, because now you can only buy really super cheap butterfly knives that you guys have all seen before, the CSGO ones, which all the real flippers know that that's not a good option. I keep moving the camera, sorry, there's bugs, mosquitoes biting me everywhere. Fucking. Sorry about that. But if you can, still reach out to Ken Fong on his page there on DHgate. Type in Ken Fong knives or whatever, but you'll find him somehow. And this may be one of your last chances to get anything of semi-decent quality out of there. It really sucks that this is going on. I wish it wasn't. I planned on making this video way earlier, but I didn't. It takes me a long time to work up the gumption for these things. But I wanted to also play with this knife for a long time before I gave my full opinion on it, because when I first got it I was so excited, and I had heard some opinions on it already, which kind of made me form a bias, which I said in the beginning that, oh, it's way thinner, that it's definitely thinner, it's lighter, and yada yada, because I had heard it from other YouTubers. But I have owned a real premium Alpha Beast. I have videos of me flipping it, a gold anodized one. I owned that for about 5 months before I sold it. I had to sell all my really good knives, unfortunately. But I had owned one. And to be completely honest, these feel so much alike that it's... I can't do tricks right now, sorry. I just got back from a barbecue, I'm a little buzzed. But, yeah, this clone right here, it feels so much like the real thing. And I'll be fair and say it has been a very long time since I flipped my premium, but to me it seems like the differences are so small, and it's mostly things that are just pleasing to the eye that are the main difference. I gotta like practice flipping on camera because everything fucking goes wrong when I'm all nervous and shit. I swear I can flip better than this, I swear, guys. I promise you. But, like, to me, it really feels identical. I don't have the, I can't promise you it's identical because I don't have the real one in my hand right now. If I did, then I could give a solid opinion that it's the same thing, but I can't do that fairly until I'm holding the real one and this one. That I'm trying to make this quick because I already tried to make this video and my memory ran out. The ano's not great. The ano's not going to be like the real Venom. And when I say these things, guys, like, obviously the real thing is gonna be better. But the price you're paying for those small little details doesn't seem worth it. The small little details, including the pivot pins, are going to be black instead of this regular polished, I don't know what you'd call it, regular screws. They are also really good screws. I was so surprised. I took this apart the other day. That was the first time I had to take it apart because I dropped it a couple times. And I realized there was no Loctite on it at all. Ken hadn't, Ken's team or whoever fucking puts his Balisongs together, they hadn't put any Loctite in it. So I noticed after dropping it a couple times, I use my Balisongs. I flip them on the fucking sidewalk. I drop them. But I have more to say about that too. I could make such a long video, but I'm trying to speed this up because my phone's gonna run out of memory. But the screws right here, they don't back out. I'm so pumped about it. It's one of the first clones that I've gotten that the screws don't back out at all. I put Loctite on it. I put Loctite on this like fucking, I don't know, a week since you guys saw my last video. It was like maybe a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. I put Loctite on it like almost right after the video. Haven't touched it since. This is the tolerance on it. And I drop this all the time. I dropped it on the sidewalk today. I'm gonna try to show you the mess I made. It's right here, but my camera's not that good. Come on. Anyway, I can't waste time with that because I don't have much memory. Anyway, yeah. I'd like to get good at recording my flipping someday. But anyway, this thing is super good. I don't think I'm gonna post this video after that. Fuck. Alright.